Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I came with an amazing video that will sort out your all hair problems. Like in one video you'll get all the solution of your hair problems. So I'm going to talk about a brand which we all are familiar with. Like this brand, we all know about this brand since ages, and some of us, in fact many of us, have used that. Many of us have seen that ad in the newspaper, so we know that brand. That brand is Sesha. Yeah, Sesha. Sesha is a well-known brand for hair care. Sesha has been an Ayurvedic expert for hair care since 25 years. Now they came with an onion range which is different from rest onion-based product available today in the market. So it is a 3-step kit product fused with medical Ayurvedic herbs. This 3-step kit unique formulation which boost your hair growth and will repair your hair damage. If I talk about particular products like in this kit, like there are 3 products in this kit, and one by one I'm going to talk about that and I'll share my review on that particular product. So first of all, I'll talk about this product. This is the onion hair oil with Bringraj, and this is the packaging. And just see the bottle. This is very cute and handy bottle, and this particular product which I'm having is of 200 ml, which is quite good amount. And if we talk about the ingredients, it comes with amazing beneficial Ayurvedic herbs, Ayurvedic oil. It have power of 3. It have onion extract which prevents hair loss, promotes hair collagen production, and boost hair growth. Then it have Bringraj. It is beneficial for hair fall. If you are having hair fall, Bringraj will help you out in sorting that hair fall problem. And it have pure cold pressed oils which repairs damaged hair and nourish it within. It have no nasties like no parabens, no mineral oil, no silicone, no sulfate, no fragrance, no artificial color. And what you want more from any like hair oil? As you can see, it comes with an applicator which are like very helpful for your oil application. Don't want to touch oil from their hands, so they can apply directly and leave it. But if you give massage, like full 5 to 7 minutes massage to the scalp, it will more helpful, more beneficial for your hair. And if you have done any hair coloring or any type of chemical treatment on your hair, it is definitely 100% safe for your hair. This is for all hair types, and even men's can use it. Like, let me talk about the consistency. Like, it have mild consistency, not very thick nor too runny. It is in between. Like, let me show you. You can see this is not very thick and not very light that you can't even feel the oil. It is very in between kind of consistency, and it smells nice, yaar. It smells very nice. And it is non-sticky. Like, we all go for non-sticky hair oil, and this is it. Like, this is non-sticky. Many problems, one solution. Go for it. Now I'll talk about shampoo. This is the shampoo. You can see this is the shampoo. This is onion shampoo with Rita and Shikakai. Do I need to tell you about the benefits of Rita and Shikakai? Do I? No, I don't think so, but I will tell you the benefits of this onion hair shampoo. It have onion, Rita and Shikakai which strengthen your hair and prevents breakage and hair fall and boost your hair growth. And again, it have no nasties, like it have no parabens, no silicone, no sulfate. So it is nasties free, and this is totally 100% natural. And this is very mild formulation, so this is safe for chemically treated hair, and this is for all hair types and all gender type also. Like, men can use it, women can use it, and this is for all hair types. Let me talk about the packaging. And you can see this is also like color coordinated with the range. All 3 of the product is color coordinated, and the color is beautiful. And you can see this have pump nozzle, and this is very easy and convenient to use. Like, nowadays people wants very mess free life. Like, they don't want to struggle with the product, like, so just pump it and go for it. And this particular bottle which I'm having is of 300 ml. This is very quite good amount which we can use for long time. And yeah, so this is the onion hair shampoo. And let's talk about the conditioner. The onion conditioner with Rita and Shikakai. It have onion, Rita, Shikakai, aloe vera, hibiscus and amla, which prevents hair breakage, hair loss, and promotes and boosts hair growth. Which strengthen your hair, boost your hair growth, prevents hair loss and breakage. Again, it have no nasties. It doesn't have any parabens, any minerals, any sulfate and silicone. So it is absolutely 100% safe and natural. This comes with very mild formulation, so it is again safe for the chemically treated hair, like if you have done any hair color or anything like that, it is definitely 100% safe for you. And again, this can be used by men or women, anyone, and this is for all hair types. Like I have taken the 3 into 3 challenge. Like you have to take a challenge about this product. You have to apply all the 3 products like thrice in a week for 3 months at least, and then see the magic what happens to your hairs. So you can just try it. I have tried it out and I am very much satisfied with the product and very much happy with the results, and I am very much sure about that it's gonna help you out with all your hair problems. So let's talk about the regimen, what you have to do with the 3 into 3 challenge. So you have to start with the hair oil. For the first step, you have to use the hair oil and apply oil directly with the nozzle to your scalp and just massage with your fingertip for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you can leave it for overnight. But if you can't do it, you can just apply it 1 hour before your shower. So that's it, you have to apply the oil like this. This is the first step and you are done with it. Second step is shampoo. You all know how to do shampoo. Just pump the product and gently apply to your scalp and massage it and then wash it off. And the third and the last step is conditioner. Just apply evenly to your hair strands, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off, and your regimen is done. You have to do these steps for thrice a week and for about 3 months at least. Then you will see the result and see the magic for sure. It will be visible improvement in your hair health, in your hair fall reduction. You can see the change. I love this kit, and 5 reasons I would like to mention here for which I especially like this kit. First one is like it is 100% natural and made up of Ayurvedic herbs which we all need in our daily life for our hair. It have no parabens, it have no minerals, it have no silicone, no sulfate, it have mild formulation, and from now just say no to these harmful nasties like silicone, paraben, sulfate, mineral oil, artificial colors, and yes to these products. You can buy these products from its official site, that is www.seshacare.com. That will be blinking on my screen and that will be in my description box also. You can use coupon code that is Sesha SCY Onion ONION. That will be on my screen and in my description box also. So you can check it out and get 20% slash discount to your cart. So just go for it and have a beautiful hair. Just follow this 3 into 3 challenge. Just use 3 products thrice a week for 3 months and get a beautiful hair. Thanks for watching this video.